Here we are. So today's little adventure, I'm gonna use the monorail. So I'm gonna take the monorail up to up through the palm up to the Atlantis Hotel. So I'm gonna see what it's like up there, maybe find something to eat, have a little walk around, and then take the train back down to where my hotel is. I think I'm gonna miss a train, but I've got to buy my ticket first. I need to find where to go. I got a bit lost. Was at the wrong station. Well, literally the station that I needed was just across the road from the station where I was. Luckily, I met a family from Slovenia, and the husband helped me find the right station. He was also lost as well, but you know, we put our two minds together and we found the station. So yeah, it's really hard. I met this other kid, I think he's from East Asia, and he was lost as well, but his English wasn't too good. So I tried to help him as best as I could, but I hope he finds, you know, where he needs to go. So yeah, I'm at the station waiting for the train.
Atlantis Aquaventure.
Atlantis. It's a very beautiful hotel, I'm not gonna lie. I think I might have to spend a couple of nights here when I come back, but I'm gonna walk around, try and see if I can find somewhere to eat. Gonna have a look on Google Maps and see, but I'm gonna walk around for a bit. Temperature today right now is 36, so it's hot. Let's see, nowhere in walking distance, and I can't see anything that takes my fancy, so I think I'm gonna get on the train and go back. Yeah, I might take a train and go back. Outside here, it is baking. I don't think you realize how much fluid you lose in this heat. Like, I've drank so much water today and I'm still feeling thirsty. But yeah, I think I'm gonna head back on the monorail, and I've got to see the Atlantis Hotel. It's a beautiful hotel, man. Beautiful. really and truly, I didn't even plan this properly, you know. I should have looked to see what like restaurants are around, but I didn't actually really look on Google Maps to see what was around the hotel. So there is a mall on the route, on the monorail. So yeah, I'm gonna pop into that mall and see if I can find somewhere to eat. And yeah, maybe that might be the end of my day, but yeah, Atlantis is a very nice hotel from the outside anyway. So maybe next time I come here, I will stay at Atlantis.
The next station is نخيل مول. المحطة القادمة هي نخيل مول.